Why do onions make you cry?
Cutting onions often brings tears to our eyes. But why does this happen? The reason lies in a fascinating chemical reaction that takes place when an onion is sliced, releasing specific compounds that interact with our eyes and cause that familiar stinging sensation.
The science behind onion tears.
Onions contain sulfur-rich compounds. When you cut into an onion, you break its cells, allowing these compounds to mix with enzymes. This reaction forms a volatile gas called syn-propanethyl S-oxide, sometimes called onion lacrimatory factor. This gas quickly spreads through the air and eventually reaches your eyes.
How onion vapors irritate your eyes.
When syn-propanethyl S-oxide gas rises up to your eyes, your tear glands react. The gas combines with the water in your eyes to create a mild sulfuric acid, which irritates the eyes. To flush out the irritant, your body produces tears, leading to watery eyes and discomfort.
Can you stop onion tears?
There are several tricks to minimize onion tears. Chilling onions before cutting slows the enzyme reaction that creates the irritating gas. Using a sharp knife causes less cell damage, releasing fewer irritants. Cutting near an open window or using a fan can also help keep the vapors away from your eyes.
Why onions develop this reaction?
This tear-inducing effect may serve as a defense mechanism for onions. By releasing pungent compounds when damaged, onions help deter animals and pests from eating them. So next time you slice an onion and your eyes water, remember it's a clever plant's way of protecting itself.